Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a mini semicircle as you can see here. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then I'm going to come right over here, slip knot, chain 3, yarn over, and right in the center make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you can see here started forming. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I'm going to turn around right here, and we're going to slip knot in each of the space. So that way. I'm going to pull this yarn and behind here, tighten a bit, and as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. The same one over here, got the same size. So what you're going to do is going to chain 4 and then make a slip knot and make 9 double crochet. Then you turn over your work like so. This is my back part, and I'm going to slip knot in each of the spaces and cut my yarn and make a slip knot here, or you can just stitch it inside here. So this is it for today. So I hope you like my video. Till next time, bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.